Today's screen capture is how to remove a complex subject object from a complex background and put it into another background. So we open Adobe Photoshop and we get our photo. We open our photo, which has a fair bit going on. And what we want to do is try and remove the human out of here. We'll leave the dog and the background, but we'll just try and take the human out. So in my simple version, we used over here the Magic Wand tool. Now we're going to try and use the Quick Selection tool. Same sort of thing, but up here we have commands for add, subtract, and size of the brush. So sort of how many pixels it will grab. So I'm going to leave it on 12 at the moment, and I'm going to come in here. I'm going to zoom in, Control plus plus. So the human is mainly on screen. Make sure I'm on plus, tap. Now, the main trick here is not to go too far out. So don't go too far away from where you want to select. It'll try and do the math for you. It's called the Quick Select tool, but there's no real hurry. The main thing is to try and get as much accurately as possible the area that you want, so you don't have to do quite as much work later on. Okay, so I've got that. That's not bad. I might just add out the sleeves a little bit. That's pretty good. So that's my plus so far. And I'll go to my minus. And I'll travel up there. And I'll travel up there. It's not too bad so far. I'll just go back to my plus. Oh, still pretty good. So I go to my minus again. So as you can see, it's just sort of, it's a bit finicky. I might zoom in a second once I've got this down. So we're getting into sort of a bit more control. So I'll zoom in, Control plus plus. And we're on, go back to plus. Don't want to confuse it too much. I want that here. We want all the shirt, so we'll take the risk. It's not bad. I'll just bring that in there, travel down. We want that bit of shirt there that's missing. Now this is a lot quicker than the other method. If you're doing this, I'm going to go to minus again, because stripes are a nightmare, and so are different shades of the same colour. Once you get into different shades of the same colour, this kind of, so as far as I can tell, is the best method for that. Okay, I'm going to call it in a second because you've already watched well and truly enough. I think that's pretty good. Oh, get rid of that little bit there. Now, if you've got patience, you can spend half an hour doing this and get full professional results. But I'll do that now. So Control minus so we can see all we've got. Oh, let's get rid of that one on the shoulder as much as possible. Control C. I don't have to select inverse. That's what I want. What what the crawling events are going on now. Control C, Control N. Let it use the memory of the size of the document. The clipboard, create. There's a blank document, Control V, and there I am in my blank document. Now remember, F7 hides and shows your layers. I don't know why it's not at the moment. I might have to do something with Captivate. Anyway, so I've got my him there, so I'm going to zoom in. Going to get my erase tool just to finish off. Click on that. Now that's really big at the moment, so we'll take that down to there. Hardness 100 is fine, and we'll just tidy up a little bit. Remember, don't do too much. You make a mistake. You can always Control Z, but you don't want to spend 5 minutes erasing one thing and then have to Control Z it. So Control minus minus minus. So now I want to put that in a less complex background. So here are my layers. So if we take off the background, it's on a checkerboard. And we'll open a new one. File, open. We'll go with our painting again. Bridge painting. Do a quick rotation, image, rotate canvas, 90 degrees counterclockwise. Go for a crop, go to our crop tool, quickly bring it to size. And from memory, this one is tick. Image size, it's a 300 resolution. We'll change that to 12 inches. Hit OK. Makes it a little bit bigger. Go to our new separated person, go image size. Now this was taken on a phone, so the resolution is 72, but it's very big. But just so we're playing on the same thing, we'll go 300. And we'll change the height to 7 inches. Hit OK. I made it a little bit smaller. Now I can once again Control A, Control C. Go to my new painting, Control V, and there I am pasted in. So, don't want to crop. We're on my layer, so we can use the move tool to place him somewhere else. Probably best if he's standing on the log, so I might transform him a little bit. Control T, puts the bounding box around. Now I can not have the aspect ratio on and do all sorts of nice interesting things like that. Or hold down the Shift key and keep the aspect ratio the same. Remember, you need to take your finger off the mouse first and release, so you keep the aspect ratio. And I'll move him so he's standing on the log. And hit enter. Log it in. Now I have taking a complex image and moving it into from a complex background into a complex background. Thank you.